first conference organized about questions related to environment, organized by transhumanists. We will speak during about 2 hours. So speakers will be, and then there will be the opportunity, of course, for questions, but also there will be working groups. I'm very happy that we are here together for these important questions. And for this very brief introduction, I will immediately give the word to David Wood, and then after to Marc Roux. David Wood for a general introduction about what's going on for the speakers, and Marc for this working groups.
Thanks, Didier. So this is an unusual word, Viridian. I had to look it up, and it's a shade of green with a hint of blue. And the idea is that the Viridian future, it will involve a healthy and flourishing environment alongside healthy and flourishing individuals and a healthy and flourishing set of social relations with people. And as we know, the complication is that as we humans are using more natural resources, as our technology is becoming more powerful, we are having some good effects on the environment, but lots of bad effects as well. And some of these problems we've managed to address and solve, such as the growing hole in the ozone layer caused by CFC chemicals. We managed to reverse that. And it's the same with leaded petrol, which used to be breathed in by children, lowering their IQ and lowering their health span. Again, we managed to address that. And in both these cases, we've used politics and we've introduced some creative technology. But the remaining environmental issues are larger and in some cases seem much more difficult to solve. And we're probably going to need more sustained politics, more effective politics, and probably bringing in new technological solutions, which have their own complications. So that's broadly what the various speakers are going to be addressing. Different proposals, different analysis of the complications between the human use of technology and human social structures and the environment. And as you'll see, the speakers are coming from a variety of different perspectives. In each case, they're mainly going to use their time to speak, but audience members are encouraged to type questions into the chat, and the speakers will either address the questions straight away or possibly we'll come to some of them later. So that's a few words from me. Welcome everybody, and I'll hand over to Marc Roux.
Thank you very much, David. Maybe you know that almost 1 year before the AFT Technoprog released a declaration. We call it Viridian Manifesto, and the purpose was exactly what David was talking about. One of our ideas with this event today is to ask you to help us to improve this declaration. And that's the reason why at the end, after all the speakers, we have a time about 1 hour where we propose you, or we ask you to join in small groups. We will give you choices between 4 themes, and I can give you the themes. The first will be the social questions, second will be the institutional questions, the third will be the issues about energies, and the fourth about ecosystems and health. So it will be the question about trying to deepen the declaration. We will give you some links towards Google Docs, and you will be able to write directly on the text if you want suggestions, commentaries, etc., to help us to improve this text. So we will have first of all the speakers, and then I will ask you again to speak about, to think about what theme can you interest you, and we will spread in the different groups. But for now, we will start with the first speaker.